Sadly, this thing is not door openable. And the body is plastic. And no pullback action. But before you jump to conclusions, this car wasn't bought. It was made. Hi guys, DCS here, welcome back to another video. So this time it is the part 3 of the McLaren P1. I know you guys are missing out, so don't worry. This is actually the Airfix quick build part 3 guys. So if you guys missed out on the part 1 and part 2, don't worry, it'll be in the I button right here. So I got this car in 36 pieces and now it is in its original form. Airfix quick build is the part 3 where it's gonna be the info and the looks and details guys. I think you guys got a good look in the intro, but let me just show you around. Alright, first starting off with the looks and details, but before that, if you guys are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button right now and also press the bell icon for my latest video updates. Don't miss out on that. Also follow me on Instagram and Facebook if you guys want to check this car out in more detail. The images guys, come on. And don't worry, the links for this car will be in the description below, so check them out later, not now. First, let's go for the looks and details. Here we go. Picking up the McLaren P1. Alright, first things first guys, I want to mention the color. The color is so damn amazing. I didn't do anything, I didn't polish it, and it looks so cool. And of course, the headlamps, yeah, they look a little bit cartoonish. They had to put more details on that, but they didn't. Or they had to provide it with a glass, but they didn't. Anyways, I did the McLaren logo, like put a little color on it, because why not? It looks good, right? Come on guys, tell me the truth. Comment it down below. And also the rear tail lamps, because it was blank, so why not? And some attention to details are the McLaren logo right here and the P1 logo too on the engine cover, which is so damn nice. But then there are some details which is missing, like there's no windshield wipers and the tint is so dark I can't even see the inside of the car, even though it has some details, like for example the steering wheel. Well, at least you have a spoiler which goes kind of down and you have a new look, which is pretty cool, I guess. Anyways, you don't get the door openings because it's a build car. You don't get it with this one. Well, you have 4 free wheels, which I guess it's pretty good. So it's pretty much a show car, guys. Well, now let's go for its info. So, starting off with the top speed, guys. The top speed, 350 kilometers per hour. That's 217 miles per hour. Not bad. It's a really good. Of course, it's a hypercar. That's why. Going for the acceleration, it's 2.8 seconds. Talking about its horsepower, it's 903 horsepower. Close to 1,000, but not 1,000. And comes the best part, guys. Here it comes. The engine. The engine is a dual overhead cam 3.8 liter twin turbocharged V8, which is actually called the M838T, with a combination of an electric motor. So the electric motor produces up to 177 horsepower and the engine 727 horsepower. Total that you get 903 horsepower, which is amazing, guys. Like really. And the electric motor is a lithium ion 400 volts electric motor, which is a single electric motor. Going for the transmission, it's a 7-speed dual clutch transmission, guys. And talking about its body style, of course, it's a 2-door coupe. Well, you guys know that already. Anyways, this is an RWD, that's rear wheel drive, so you don't get the all-wheel drive version. I don't know why. Anyways, this car is an hybrid car. As I mentioned, it has an electric motor, that's why. So that's the end of the info, guys. Now talking about its ratings, well, looking at all of its specs and its details, I give it a 9 out of 10 because it lost a little bit in the details part. Anyways, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you all next week. Stay tuned. Bye-bye. DCS out.
Thanks for watching and do subscribe!